All right, so next up is going to be 17POP123. So let's go right over here, and we are going to take all the first name letters, and we're going to random those. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. All right, so HI at the bottom, A is at the top. We're going to copy that, and we're going to paste into there, and now we're going to match the owner list up. We're going to match the owners with a first name letter. So we're going to, same thing, 7 times, like a carnival ride. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. Rod, you're at the bottom. CJ, you're at the top. Going to copy that, and we're going to paste just like that. And then let's put this on the main screen here. So let's put this right over here so you guys can see. Bang, there we go. So it looks like CJ took over your OV spot, Matt. Looks like CJ took your spot, man. Took your OV spot there. All right, so let's chop it up. Let's chop it up. And this is 123. So let me pop the top off this, and let's see who is in here. So good luck, guys. Good luck. This one is still no case hit. Conor McGregor. Who's got M? I love this one. Matt S. Matt, you got Conor McGregor, man. Love Conor McGregor. It's my favorite fighter. Old Conor McGregor. So they also have, let's see. It's actually Chad C. I was going by last name letter. Sorry, Matt. You're just going to shoot me. Chad C. got this one. Chad C. First name letter C for Conor McGregor. So this is Conor McGregor, Ronda Rousey, Christopher Weidman, Jose Aldo, Anderson Silva, BJ Penn. All those are in the UFC collectors for Pop Funko vinyl. So love Conor McGregor. Favorite. Love Conor. Love him. All right, so that one's going out to Chad C with first name letter of C. Mr. Chad, you're killing it over here tonight, man. Chad C. You got that one. All right, so let me see here. Let's get this one on YouTube.